Hello, my name is Heidi Wall, and I'm an instructor in mathematics, statistics, and computer science, and a Tang Fellow. I'm here to answer 3 questions in 3 minutes about my Tang Institute project, Promoting Mastery Through Portfolio Assessment. What was the inspiration for your project? I had 2 main things that I was interested in. One was a desire to address differences in student preparation and provide more equitable access to the skills and habits that lead to success in the math classroom and beyond. In addition, I was interested in reframing the learning experience of our students to be more student-centered and to help students understand how powerful their own role is in their learning. What impact has it had on teaching and learning? Well, I can say that it's had a huge impact on my own teaching and learning because all of the materials I have created throughout my fellowship have been used in my classroom with my students. And through my own observations and student reflections, I've seen very real improvements in learning mindset. They are more open-minded to approaching challenges. They approach them with a can-do attitude rather than a sense of defeat. As far as their preparation and engagement, they have a better sense of how the quality of their preparations for class can have a direct impact on their understanding. And they see a greater connection between their level of engagement and participation in class, knowing that what they put into each class also builds understanding. I've seen gains in their problem solving and communication skills. My students report gains in their capacity to stick with difficult problems. They appreciate and seek different approaches to problems, and they have begun to see more connection between mistake making and learning. And finally, with the collaboration and community in our classroom, they are eager to collaborate with one another, and they appreciate how different perspectives helps them to see problems in new ways. In fact, they seek that. And finally, I could just say that the colleagues in my department have also begun to take more time to encourage student self-reflection, which has been a critical way for students to build agency. Where can I go to learn more? 3 great sources of inspiration for me have been Carmel Scatino, Joe Bowler, and Alan November, 3 thought leaders in math education and just education in general and student-centered learning. And of course, you can go to the Tang website where I have posted all of my rubrics, checklists, and reflection prompts that get kids thinking about all of the ways that they can impact their own learning. Thank you so much.